Piggy Bank Machine, their second platform. They have another one called the Piggy Garden, and you can go to this, and this is piggymachine.io, and then you'll get here, and I'll try to leave the link in the description. Okay, so Piggy Bank Machine, BUSD, this is what you're gonna earn here. Actually, what you do is you take your BUSD and you put it in here, and there's a $15 minimum, so you approve it. You cannot unstake this. What you do is you earn sausage, then you stake your sausage here, and you have to leave it there for 7 days, and then you will earn the sausage. You'll harvest it, see? Once you earn it, you can harvest it and sell it. You can sell the sausage and get BUSD. So basically, over here, this is if you have the TGP, which I think you get that from the Piggy Garden. I haven't actually, I tried out this platform, but I've heard a lot about it, and I just wanted to, I might try it out. I just wanted to share it with you if you want to look through it and see how it is. And you can look it up, and you'll find other videos about people that talk about this platform. The process is enter BUSD into the Piggy machine and earn daily staking rewards and sausage tokens, so 8% a day. You can claim your sausage rewards anytime. You cannot unstake your BUSD, so that's in here. This is where you put it in here. You can't unstake this, the BUSD. So you put this in there, you earn sausage. Then you can put the sausage in here. And you know, it's minted. Then you can put it in here and earn rewards. And then you can sell it for BUSD. So basically, once you put it in there, you earn 8% a day. You can claim your sausage rewards at any time. You can unstake your BUSD. You will earn sausages as a percentage of BUSD invested, irrespective of the sausage. If you invest 100 BUSD, you will receive 8 sausages a day. So if you put $100 in there, that's basically $100. You're going to get 8 of these a day. So in 10 days, you'll get back your initial investment, because 8, well, not 10 days, right? You'll get it back in maybe like 12 days, probably. So, because you'll get like, well, you'll get 8 a day, right? So, yeah, I'm not sure exactly how much they're worth, but it seems like it won't be too long before you'll get them back. You have 2 options with sausages. Maybe around 10-15 days you'll probably get your initial investment back, and then you'll start earning on top of that. It says you have 2 options with your sausages. You can sell them for BUSD, or you can stake them to earn more sausages, 12% a day. Sausages staked are locked for 7 days. So I guess when you earn them here, after you put your BUSD, you can sell them here, sell sausage for BUSD. Because you're staking it here, and then once you earn some, you can stake it here for 7 days to get the 12%. Then once you've earned your sausage, you're going to have a bunch, and then you can come here and sell it. And then you can do that until you get your money back, and then you can just keep, earning profits on top of that after you've gotten your initial investment back. So it's like 8% and 12%. Those are high percentages, high yield. Terminology, total supply. Okay, these are just like crypto or investment, total supply, circulating supply, available supply. It gives you the calculation. It's the total supply, take away the circulating supply. Sausage price, total BUSD balance divided by available supply. Mint sausages. As you claim sausages from minting, they are removed from the available supply and added to the circulating supply. Sell sausages. Okay, so you can read all through this. And then if you do join this, you can come back down here and get a referral link. And if you want to refer something, you can earn extra 4%. So you'll earn a little extra if you put your link around there or you tell a friend or something. Maybe in Discord, if you're part of Discord, sometimes they have sections in different Discords. They'll say like off topic. Maybe you can put your link there. Say, hey, I'm using Piggy bank machine and I'm earning BUSD. If you want to learn more about it, and then you can put your link there, and then maybe people will go there, and you'll earn a little more if you decide to get into this. And it has been audited. Okay, so this is their official audit. One critical issue, one high issue, and I think that's because it's an ROI, which is rate. What your rate of invest. It's like rate of return. I forgot exactly what this rate of what exactly it stands for, but usually these ROI apps are always considered high risk, so they say it's a high issue. But official audit. Oh, okay, here it is. Hayes Crypto. So you can go here and look through this, do your due diligence. Talks about airdrops. Talks about selling your token, staking system, all those things. So you can go there and look through that and see. You can go page by page and look through the audit if you want to know what it's all about. And that was basically it about the piggy bank machine. Just wanted to let you know about it. And if you're interested, go ahead and try it out. This is not financial advice, but if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.